Before going to the video, this is a request to like the video, share in your various accounts, and after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to get notification of the further videos.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to use legend by using code. So what is the need of the legend? The reason is same, to distinguish different plots in the same frame. So but here we use marker, right? Here we use marker, we can distinguish from here only. But in case of more number of samples, say we take interval 0.1, here we take 0.001. So if we run, we cannot distinguish between these two curves because the markers are so close, it will look like same. So how to differentiate? So we need to just erase the markers. We erase the markers and it look like that. Now the one way is insert legend. Here three legends are came. You can just write here sine, cos, sine, p. You can edit from here. You can also change the edge color. You can change the edge color as white so that the box will not come. The edge color. Why it is not coming? So, it's not coming. Yes. If we take white, okay. So the box is gone. Now you can change the orientation also. You can change the orientation from here, horizontal. You can change the orientation also. You can change the location like that. Okay, so this is one way to insert a legend and change its orientation and change its edge color. Now we learn how to using code. We can change this. Now we need to write legend sine, comma, cos, comma, sine p. Now we'll run. It is coming, right? Now we need to make the edge color white. So how we will use? Just give a second bracket, comma, edge color, and it is in single inverted comma. And for white, it is 0 0 0. Oh no, this is for black. 1 1 1. Yes, look, this is coming like that. Okay, you can change the font also. You can change the font. uh, you can change the font size here from this on. You can just copy and paste it here. Right, you can change it to 16. So 16 font times New Roman font name, age color is like that. So you can see the font is increased, and the age is gone. Now next thing is how to change the orientation. Simply write in single inverted comma orientation, and it is coming vertical in by default, and you have to make horizontal in single inverted comma. Right, now run it. I've done some mistakes, I guess. Which is spelling mistake. Right. So this is the way to apply a legend and change its orientation, size, font style, and age color. So this is end of this tutorial. Thank you.